Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. I am excited for this one kasi in the weekend, we will go to Tagaytay. I'm so excited. Ngayon na lang ako ulit mag-out of town. Tapos another one sa August. Yung mga gantong precious moments talaga eh. Unlike before, when I was younger, siguro almost every week I was outside. Wala nang travel vlog kasi hindi ko rin naman mapapanindigan. So, let's do a reading vlog and I will just sing it, the travels and all. This one is not part of my June TBR na napakita ko in the previous vlog. This one is a sing it because one of my book club sisters said it's sad, it's moving, it's something na I don't know, bakit ba ako na confused? And I already know that, kaya nga I have a copy. I tried to start this last year yata, pero hindi ko na natuloy. I did not finish chapter 1 even. So, ngayon, ako ay magsa-start ako sa chapter 3. I started it last night. For sure, aabot tong librong to by weekend. So, we will bring this then sa Tagaytay. I'm so excited talaga kahit ang lapit-lapit lang niya. Dati nung nandito pa si Job, madalas kaming umaalis. Ngayon, paano na ako? Anyways, we will read maybe one chapter before my next meeting. I'll see you whenever.
3 days later.
Guys, I am reading. It's a really sad book. I'm already this far in and I have a lot of annotations and highlights here. Yung iba wala pa akong notes. I was traveling tapos ngayon ulit nasa labas tayo ulit. So ang hirap magsulat, you know what I mean. But I have notes on my phone. So far, so good. I know na this was set in 2011-2012 during the Syrian Revolution. There was a lot of history there. Although this book is people-centric and culture-centric, no deeper information about the reason of the revolution or the revolution per se, but what happened to the people, how they felt, how they survived. So I had to Google pa what really happened before. The unrest she was talking about was the government's kidnapping of 14 boys, all in their early teens. They were tortured, their fingernails ripped off, and then sent back to their families, all because they scribbled, "It's your turn, doctor," on a wall after the success of the revolutions in Egypt, Tunisia, and Libya. By doctor, they meant the president, Bashar al-Assad, who was an ophthalmologist. The irony of a man who was drenched in innocent blood, taking a vow to do no harm, was not lost on me. Know already in this page pa lang na it's very much rooted in the dictatorship and the revolution of the people. We know this is fictional, but during the war and during the revolution, for sure, some of this, if not all, are the realities or were the realities of people in Syria. What I also like about this book is it makes you reflect on what you were doing during those times. I was in my second year of college that time. She was also in second year college that time. So siguro 1 year, or we have almost the same age ni Salama. Tapos siya nagsusurgery na. Tapos ako, I was enjoying Tumblr. The time, I was enjoying coding and putting glitters and sparkles on my page. Mapa-reflect ka how lucky you are na hindi mo nadadanasan yung mga ganun. And there are a lot of stories like that. Wait, naiyak ako. There are a lot of stories like that. Devastating. Hi. Sad. So we just had breakfast here at Rosario, Tagaytay. Ang init, mami. Hindi ko kaya tanggalin yung aking shades. After this, we will go to Hotel Kimberly to have the day tour nila. For now, bye muna. Guys, I don't think I can finish this today kasi there are a lot of activities that we have to do pa kasi sayang naman yung binayad namin, B. I am 13 chapters in and we have already the conflict. Actually, it's start pa lang. We already know the conflict, either to stay or go away from Syria. Actually, they're already planning to go out to keep the family safe. Kaso, syempre, because of the siege, buong country, may mga borders, may mga bantay, and mahirap umalis ng bansa. And there's this other thought of Salama and feeling actually na gusto niyang magstay to help people and heal people na kailangan ng tulong doon sa hospital and even outside the hospital. Meron na tayong encounter with Kenan. Kenan is apparently her soulmate. Ako na nag-declare. Dapat they will meet a year before kasi they are parang in-arrange ng parents nila. Pero the day na mag-meet sila, that was the time na nagkagulo sa kanilang lugar. And now, nagtagpo sila na nasa gitna na sila ng war or ng revolution. I think they're meant to be. Kinilig ako ng onte doon. Well, decided na si Salama na gusto na niyang umalis pero there's this parang pasingit-singit of something like gusto niya rin magstay to help people. Tapos na-inspire pa siya kay Kenan. I'm still this far in. Medyo mahaba-haba pa. And I'm curious ano yung magiging decision niya at the end.
Guys, I did something spontaneous today. I drew on my book's edges. Naisip ko lang talaga siya kanina, pagising ko. Meron akong malaking lemon dito. So I think I will just resize it a little bit, like make it a little bit smaller. And then we will try to paint it today. I still have my paints here. I'm not sure though if we still have yellow and blue. But we have some cerulean blue, ultramarine blue. We have white, I need that. Prussian blue. Okay, we have here lemon yellow and yellow ochre. And ang problema ko na lang ngayon is the brush because I lost my old brushes already. I don't know if I still have here. I don't know. It's a mess here, but we'll see. I think this is okay na, but I cannot find my brush, so we will go out and check.
Few moments later.
Guys, we got a 15 peso brush. Sobrang init. Wait, bakit wala akong ilo? We also got some quick. Got some water, the paintbrush, and my paints. So let's start. We will use a binding something. I forgot what it's called. Pero I was using this for my spray painting before. And to also secure na hindi siya tatagos or mag-bleed inside. Guys, may na-realize ako kasi kapag nag-start tayo sa darker side or darker paint, baka mahirapan tayong ipatong yung mga lighter ones. So what we will do for now is we will do the orange or the yellow ones muna. I'm trying to mix yung dalawang yellow para hindi masyadong dark. Natapos ko na yung first layer of yellow. Okay, lesson learned. Number 1, always use white paint on your base. I forgot to put white. Tapos ngayon, medyo dark tuloy yung kinalabasan ng yellow ko. Also, another thing that I forgot, nakalimutan ko siyang lihain kasi nga excited ako mag-paint. So ngayon, may mga pieces of yung natanggal na like super thin fiber of the paper kasi nga nag-erase ako nung nagbago ako or nag-resize ako ng mga shapes. We will have the leaves naman. Yung leaves ko, plan ko is like blue lang. I have here some flowers also. We'll make it like bluish white. I'm happy. Although kaya pa natin yan i-resolve. Ay, no muna. Ang pangit! But we gotta do this. Naumpisahan na natin. I don't even know what to do with my tabs. I push them all in. So, syempre, di ba, paano ka makapaint kung may tabs? So, I push them all in. Tapos, saka ko naiisipan next kung paano ko sila ibabalik. So, sa loob naman ng ating lemons, it should be a little bit lighter eh. I did this once before with Quicksilver. Pero that one kasi was easy kasi there's no like super detailed parts of that except for the butterflies. It's good. I think it's okay. I don't think I still have enough storage for my video, so I'm just gonna cut this here And I'll just see you whenever I finish this part of the edge.
2,000 years later.
Okay, a little bit rough here and also some of the backgrounds, but I'm happy. It's cute naman tingnan sa malayo. I'm just gonna wait and dry this, pero I will continue painting the other side of the edges and I will show you the final result later. Guys, tapos ko na. Shocks! But tapos ka na! Buksan natin. Hello, it's been 2 days since we painted the book As Long as the Lemon Trees Grow. Now, ganito na siya. Hindi pa ako nakabasa since then. Pero ganito na siya ka-dark. Mas naging vibrant yung colors niya ngayon. Ang learning ko lang is dapat hindi ko siya tinanggal dun sa binding something na ginamit natin kasi medyo gumanon siya. Pero ma-fix pa naman yan. So, I will spray it ng sealant para hindi masyadong masmudge yung paint natin. Kasi ako pa naman ay pasmado. So, whenever I do this, mahilig tayong mag-ganon, diba? So, pwede siyang masmudge. First part na gagawin natin is 2 coatings. Tapos, we will see kung kailangan pa natin ng another set or another spray. I don't know. Guys, ayan, lahat ng edges na-sprayan ko na. Dito na siya! So, after ilang hours, make sure lang na meron ka dapat, kapag ginagamit mo yung katulad ng binding eme ko, meron kasi siyang tornilyo sa loob. So, make sure na meron kang foam or something na sasalo nung mark. Kasi tingnan mo, na-mark yung akin. But, it's done. I think it's ano naman, ayaw mag-zoom. It's okay naman. So, ngayon, tatanggalin na natin yung tape and ihihiwa-hiwalay natin yung sheets. Medyo matigas talaga siya sa una. It's easy, diba? So nice! It's sealed. May sealant na siya. It's vibrant. It's more vibrant than the past few days. Tapos, hindi na ako scared na ganyan-ganyan siya because it's sealed. Hindi na siya nagsusmudge. Hindi na rin siya lumalabo. yung nasa kabila. I have a link below if ever you want the same nails and many other designs.